In this video, we're going to talk about problem solving. I like to call problems challenges because I think it gives the individual more motivation to actually find some solutions. There's a 6-step process for helping us find answers. This video will walk you through the 6 steps, and you can find out more information on the attached handouts. I don't think I need to tell you that challenges happen. Since leaving the baby bed, we've all faced them, sometimes more than others. They happen at home, at school, at work, at the grocery, anywhere, and with anyone, and they can happen about anything. For a person with mental health or substance use disorder, everyday challenges can be amplified. The first step is to clearly identify the problem. Here are some questions to help you do that. For example, how did you discover the problem? When did the problem start, and how long has it been going on? What is your end goal or desired future state? And what will you accomplish if you fix this problem? The second step is to clarify the problem. Is it a top priority to resolve at this point in time? If not, then what is your desired timeline for solving the problem? Identify possible causes of it. Is it caused by a behavior, a thought, an attitude? These are internal factors that are within your control. Is it caused by lack of resources, such as housing, food insecurity, relationship issues? These are external and may require seeking community resources for assistance. Prioritize possible root causes of the problem. If it is not resolved, what is the cost in the short term? And what's going to happen in the long term? If the problem is resolved, what are some of the short-term and long-term benefits of doing that? Now that you've identified and further clarified your problem, this step is about coming up with possible solutions. You should generate many solutions and should not evaluate them at all. This is the brainstorming phase. There is no wrong idea in brainstorming. In the next step, you will evaluate them for effectiveness and feasibility. Often an idea which would have been discarded immediately, when evaluated properly, can be developed into a superb solution. It's not enough to just come up with lots of ideas. You need to analyze the ideas further. At this stage, you will note the good and bad points of each idea, along with other things that you think are relevant to each solution. Further analyzing the ideas is not evaluating them. You will do that after you have collected all the relevant aspects of each idea. This is the evaluation stage. You will look at all the relevant points and select what you feel are the best solutions. At this step, you will determine the feasibility of implementing the solutions. You look at the solution as a whole and use your judgment as to whether to use the solution or not. Sometimes pure facts and figures dictate which ideas will work and which will not. In other situations, it will be purely feelings and intuition that decides the best solution. Remember, though, that intuition is really a lifetime's experience and judgment compressed into a single decision. Determine the top 2 most feasible solutions, and then eventually you'll look even more closely at those and finally end up with one. The last step is to take action on the chosen solution. Our minds are powerful things. They can help us or hurt us as we face life every day. Please watch the video featuring Will Smith on the power of the mind and managing thoughts. It is a nice reminder to not let our minds get in the way of solving the challenges that come our way.